and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, we are today going to try out a bunch of new products. I have so many new products right here that I'm very excited about. Also, as you guys can see, I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder done, and that is because I did a first impression on the new Becca Weightless Blur Foundation, the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer, and also the Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Powder. So that will be another video where I test it out throughout the day and show you guys how it will last throughout the day. So yeah, that is another video. It will already be up, I think, and if it is, I can link it up here. I realized that I didn't have a new contour product, because why do you even need more than one contour product? I think that I use only like 3 different ones, and I really don't feel a need to try out any else. This one is Smog from Makeup Store. It's a old time favorite. Let's get a little bit closer. My nose contour will look better soon, don't you guys worry. So for blush, we are going to go in with the new Kat Von D Fetish blush and highlighting palette. I think this palette looks so cute. I really like the packaging, actually. Like, it's kind of like, I feel like it's kind of vintage of some sort, kind of, maybe. This is how it looks inside. I would say that the blush shades and also the highlighting shades, like the pink one and the purple one, might not be for everyone, but I think that the middle shade is really cute, and I actually want to go in with that one today because I love like gingery blushes. I think they are so cute. So I'm gonna go in with the shade called Salem, and I will try not use too much, but you guys know how it is with me and blushes nowadays. I love blush so much. Okay, like that. I did use a little bit on my nose as well, because I think it looks cute. To match the blush, I'm thinking that I could go in with the highlight called Magic. Although it looks, yeah, very glittery, which is not really my favorite kind of blush. I like when they look more like just glow. But let's just see how it looks. I will highlight where I usually highlight. Like, it doesn't look bad, but it's not my favorite highlight. But I actually have this highlighter as well. I think this is a Polish drugstore brand called Lovely. It is the highlighter called Silver. I actually got a huge package from a Polish follower because I now have a PO box, so people can send me stuff if you would like that. The address is in the info box. But I got that package and I actually opened it on my second channel, and I really want to try this one because I guess it's a product that she really likes, and I really want to try the things that you guys like, obviously. Yeah, that is much more a highlight that I would use. It looks more wet than glittery. So I'm just gonna go in with this all over the places that I just put the other highlight. Before we go in with anything else, I'm just gonna use the new Indie Beauty Face Mist. I love this one. I think it's only available in Sweden, but it is a 100% vegan skincare brand, and I love this one so much. The mist on this is so good. Okay, let's get a little bit more close because we are now going to go in with brows, and I must admit that I've actually tried this one for the first time yesterday, and I am so in love with these products. It is the new Bushy Brow products from Lime Crime. We have the Precision Brow Pen, which is amazing. I've never tried anything like it, and it is so good. And then also the Stronghold Brow Gel, which also was so good. I'm shocked that well, I'm not really shocked because I love pretty much everything from Lime Crime. But yeah, we're gonna use these today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I used them yesterday, and I'm in love with them. I'm using the shade Smoky on both of them. So this is how the Precision Brow Pen looks like, and the tip is so fine, so you can create the tiniest of brow hairs. I'm just gonna brush up my own hairs so I can see a little bit better. Okay, and now I'm just gonna brush these down. And now for the brow gel. Also, this is so fine. I've never seen a brow gel this thin, and it just makes everything so much easier and so much better. I love it so much. And this is my second time using it, so that says a lot. And now for the eyes, we are going to go in with the new Canon EOS Fetish eyeshadow palette. This looks so cute. It has the same kind of packaging as the blush and highlighting palette. And this is what we have to work with. What shades should we use? I have swatched a few of them just so you guys know, and they feel amazing. We've not really done many green looks, I feel like. Yeah, let's do a green. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade called Sex in my crease and use that as a transition color. I decided to go in with this all around my lid, so all like this, and I'm also going to use it underneath my eyes, also as a transition shade. And now the star of this eyeshadow look, I guess, at least, is the green one called La Petite Morph, or Mort, I think. And I'm just going to, I think that I would use this almost all over my lid and a little bit underneath my eyes. That is pigmented, but I already see some fallout. Oopsie doopsie. Let's try this super old trick that everybody did before, because I don't think that this green will stay on my lid. Now, oh my god. It feels like it doesn't really blend, and it doesn't really wanna stick to this part of the lid. Okay, I'm just gonna use the blending brush and see how it will blend with this. Although I do know that green is a hard shade to blend and to even create. So I'll give them a little bit of slack if this doesn't go super well. I'm gonna use a tinier, flatter brush, and I'm gonna go in with the green and also see if I can blend this together. What is happening over here? Why is it just... What is that? Oh well. Let's just try and blend it first. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the tinier brush and use a little bit on the lower lid as well. I think the blending is fine now, but now we have the problem of this patchy ass lid. So I think that I will just go in with some face mist, and we will try and just pat it on. Okay, that worked, but sometimes I feel like it cracks up when I do this. So before I take off this powder, I'm just gonna go in with the black shade called Rubber. Why is it called Rubber? I do not know. And I'm just gonna layer it a little bit just to create some dimension in this look. Also, as you guys can probably see, where it was a little bit more wet, it looks darker on the green. The green was not my favorite. Really annoying to work with a eyeshadow that doesn't want to do what you want to do. Alright, I am now thinking that I will use this more moss green shimmery shade called Shibari, and I'm gonna use that in the inner corner, and then I might go in with a lighter shade on top just to make it the inner corner lighter, but I still want it to be green. And I don't know if I should have this a little bit on the lid as well. I think it looks more interesting with a little bit of a shimmery pop. Like that, kinda, yeah. Like that, and now I'm thinking that we should go in with this shade called Submissive. I think it has a little bit of a green undertone, and it's a very shimmery shade. So I think that it could look really cute, and I'm just gonna layer that on top of this green in the inner corner. Okay, I actually really like the look of this, but I still want the inner corner to be a little bit lighter, although I really like the dark look, but I'm gonna go in with the highlighter again and just lay that a little bit more on top. Didn't really reflect the light that I wanted it to. This is the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayon in Happy, I think. Yep. Does that look cool? I'm thinking that I will skip eyeliner because this look is so dark and I just feel like it doesn't really need it. But I'm gonna go in with a pair of lashes that I've never used. I actually saw on Rouge and Rogue's Instagram yesterday that so many people have been using the Slayer lashes. They uploaded it on Insta story and I just checked today if I had any of them, and I did. So I'm gonna try these ones. I've never tried them before. I think that they look a little bit similar to the Lady Killers, so that is probably why I thought they looked so cute, because Lady Killers and Coco are my favorite lashes from Rouge and Rogue. So I will just apply these lashes and then some mascara, and then that is the final look for the eyes. And now it is time for my favorite part, the lips. And as you guys know, I usually have a very hard time choosing lipstick, and I usually go through like 5 up to like 20 when I do my tutorials. But today, this little part is actually sponsored by Ink of Elation. They have amazing liquid lipsticks, and I've tried a bunch of their liquid lipsticks already, and I really, really love them, and that is why I really wanted to show you guys these in this video. But I've not tried all of the shades, and this is the super cute packaging that you get with all of the gorgeous liquid lipsticks. So I thought that why not just go ahead and try them all on my lips and then choose what lipstick shade I liked the most for this look. If you're interested in Ink of Elation, I will of course have them linked down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get with the there we go. Let's get started with the first swatch. To not make this video super duper long, I will go through this quite quickly, as quick as I can at least. This is how the packaging looks. You can see the shade right there, and also it says the shade right over there. So this is the shade Dune. And the next shade is called Sienna. I don't really think that I would love this if I didn't have this eye look, but with this eye look I actually really like it. It's more like a beige orange, and if it was a little bit more orange I think it would be more suitable for me most days. But with this look it actually looks really cool. And this one is called Messa Note, something like that. You guys know that I love dark purples, so this is probably one of my favorites. And then we have this cool tone Barbie pink shade called Cream Soda. I love pink, so I actually really like this. And I also think this suits the look. I don't know what it is about me today. I like all of them. And then for the shade Veluto, and I'm so sorry about the pronunciation. I don't know how they should be pronounced. And this is how this one looks, also really cute. I also just wanted to say about these liquid lipsticks, they're very similar to Nablas, and Nablas is my favorite liquid lipstick. They are of course vegan and cruelty free as well. I don't really think that I had to say that, but cruelty free of course, but it's also vegan, which is amazing. Then we have this red shade called Maraschino. It looks really cool, but I think that I look a little bit too much like a Christmas tree. And then a shade that I actually already have tried and love called Hazelnut. I think that this is my favorite for this eye look, at least right now. I've not tried all of them, of course, but I really like this. It's such a beautiful dark nude. This shade is called Shawn, and it's like a really cool toned nude. I'm actually surprised on how much I like this lipstick with this eye look. This shade is called Pash, and just like the others, it looks really cute. Ooh, this is a shade that looks like something for me called Creole. You guys know how much I love orange. I absolutely love the shade of this, but for some reason, I'm not feeling it with this look. I just opened the door and it was some seller. And I had like lipstick kind of smudged kind of all over my face. He must have thought I was sucking dick or something. Okay, then and then we have another red called Madrid. My application of the lipstick is horrible, but oh well, this is the shade called Madrid, and beautiful dark red shade. Luckily, this is the last one because my lips are starting to hurt so bad. This is the last one and the craziest one called Ariel. So this is the last shade called Ariel and probably the coolest one. But I am going to change to one of the others. I think one of the nudes, just because I want a nude. As I said previously, if you want to check out Ink of Elation, I can really recommend them, and I will have their link down below. Alright, so this is the lip that I chose. I actually went in with Hazelnut in the outline of my lips. And then I used Shawn in the middle and just blended it out. And I really love this shade as the final look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it a lot. I love the look that I created. I never really go for green, but it looks really cool. And now with my green hair, I look like a green queen. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you have not already, of course, and let me know what you want to see in the next video in the comment section. Give me some suggestions. I love that. So yeah, that is it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye!